Understanding kiln shelf in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very specific yet interesting phrase in English: kiln shelf. This may not be a phrase you hear every day, but it's a great example of how English combines words to create new meanings. Let's dive in and understand what a kiln shelf is, and how you might encounter it in various contexts. Before we understand what a kiln shelf is, we need to know what a kiln is. A kiln is a type of oven or furnace used for firing or baking materials. It's most commonly used in pottery, ceramics, and brickmaking. Kilns provide high temperatures, necessary for certain processes like hardening, drying, or chemical changes. They come in various sizes and are an essential tool in many craft and industrial processes. Now, let's focus on the phrase, kiln shelf. A kiln shelf is a flat, often rectangular slab made of a heat-resistant material like silicon carbide or cordierite. It's placed inside a kiln and serves as a surface on which pottery, ceramics, or other items are placed for firing. The shelf must withstand high temperatures without warping or damaging the items being fired. In the world of pottery and ceramics, kiln shelves play a crucial role. They not only provide a stable surface for items but also help in efficient heat distribution within the kiln. The quality and type of kiln shelf can affect the outcome of the firing process. That's why choosing the right kiln shelf for the specific material and firing temperature is vital for artists and craftsmen. So, there you have it, a simple yet detailed explanation of what a kiln shelf is. This term beautifully illustrates how specific terms in English can be deeply linked to certain crafts and industries. We hope this video has been informative and has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Keep exploring and learning, and see you in the next video.